This is right off of Quinta, Avenida, 5th Avenue, Playa Del Carmen. Just giving you guys a little walk through the scenery. All the different restaurants you can check out. You stopping here? This place is real good. My friend Kevin here talks about it
all the time, man. That line too long, but the food worth it. I'm just hungry right now.
Showing you guys a little scenery. If I had some change on them, I would definitely give it. Y'all know me, man. I'm a giving connoisseur. That's why I stay empty pocketed.
My pocket's kind of sore, so I can't give.
See, even when my pocket's sore, I still give. I've been homeless and still give to other people.
I am homeless.
It's a battle in life, but it's one that I take, man. It's one that I take.
That place go together when the video in London, sick ass spot. It's like $13 for the
Yeah, make a video out of it.
It's like a big tour, like, you know, like 3D walls and all that shit like that.
Nice,
and like that stuff. You just stand like type of like.
I would put that on jflights channel. Woo. I did not see him coming. All right, bro. I'll see you later. Store. Alright guys, we are walking to first C. I don't know if I would pronounce it, it's pronounced Quinta, or if it's just C, it's just the letter C. So we're walking there. Trying not to work up too much of a sweat, y'all. Because real humid out. I'm tired of taking showers, man. It's like every day. It's a whole new shower every day. So I'm really tired of taking showers. But gotta do what you gotta do, baby. Better than freezing back in the States in Michigan. Caliente 4. We are going to this parking lot. Looks like no one using it. I've made it to 10th Avenida. Only about 2 more blocks. We are almost there, y'all. Only 2 more blocks to go.
Estampado de short y playera para niña, desde $199.99 y muchas prendas más. Aprovecha tu tarjeta de crédito Milagro con la que puedes pagar hasta 6 mensualidades fijas y obtienes 20% de descuento en tu primera compra.
OXXO, very, very useful store. Might be open 24. Some candy. That's a good restaurant. I ate there with my producer Lisa, a good friend of mine. Served good breakfast, all kind of things like that you can get. It's pretty cool. And there's the local park near my dental clinic, A1 Smile Design. Local street food, snacks. Look like you got a school. Look like school getting out or something. I think there's traffic in Playa Del Carmen. Let's see how patient we can be. You can walk. See, I see it look like a lot of students getting out of school. Things like that. And that's it, man. We're like literally gonna pull up to my dental clinic any minute. Once I get there, make sure y'all head over to my other channel if you want to watch it. It's gonna be on Kelvin J. I am Kelvin J. So subscribe to this channel, jflights, where you're gonna see more travel, just raw travel videos. And then my main channel if you want to see more personal blogs and other random content throughout my life. Usually these guys are open, but maybe it's too early. I'm not sure why they close. Alright, y'all. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content. And yeah, welcome to Mexico.